This WRX has a 2.5 liter engine. Making 265 horsepower and 244 foot-power of torque. That's pretty decent. I like the exhaust sound, rumbling. That's Subi. A decent amount of power for a lightweight car like this. No complaint. Alright. Let's see, let's go check out this classic. So far it's looking good. Don't mind a crash windshield, you know, it's an older car, so whether you can be a buffet car, you know. 2011 Subaru WRX Hatchback. Good looking car. Got the dual tip exhaust, no, quad tip exhaust there. It looks cool. Sounds rumbling. Now we got the Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive there. Fun factor of the Subi Impreza WRX. Check out the interior. It's looking nice, wrapping in leather seat all around with red stitching on the door panel also. Looking good, looking clean, looking handsome or pretty, whatever that is. Let's see, it's got decent amount of room. I like it there. That's where I normal with season for driving. And the seat pad, a decent comfort. And the view from the back is gorgeous, even though we can't see with that too much lighting outside. But take my word for it, it's look amazing out there. Alrighty. Check out under the hood of this classic. You know, Subi hood scoop, very stand out there, huge, and the 2.5 liter with the top mount in the cooler. Has been upgraded with the AEM intake system. Add more power, and look like it has current cop updated. It's good. Looking clean. Let's give it some gas. Ooh, you hear that pop? I like that. Let's see some. Let's hear some exhaust sound here. It has a decent exhaust sound. All right. Oh, let's show you the front seat. Now, classic red stitching, letters, and the WRX stitching on the seat. Well, make it look sportier. All right. Oh, cool. All right, let's go back to a little drive here. Not bad for 2011. Actually pretty fun to drive, you know, enjoy. I wouldn't mind driving one of these daily, but gotta keep that exhaust down a little, you know, to let it too loud for my like. But it's a pretty good car, pretty fun to drive. Short wheelbase and hatchback style. So I'm not gonna say that I like hatchback, wagon, hatchback. My style right there. Just love those. It's convenient and, you know, just easy to get in and out, and glass all around. know, so I just love the glass all around for the view, you know, easy to view and more natural light. Get inside a car, so it looks better. I feel better. Fun POV there. Hope that you guys enjoy it, like it. So thank you for coming with me. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Sound like slow motion today, huh?